Hey everybody, this is part G of the part 13 videos. So this part is a 2-in-1. This is for the radio receiver and the radio controller. Now, what the radio controller does, it sends a radio signal to the radio receiver, and the radio receiver gets that signal, and that signal is a command from us. It's the controller that we hold in our hands. It's actually this thing. So this thing has a built-in radio on the top. And what it does is when you give it a command like this, it knows what it's supposed to do, and it sends that command through radio to the receiver, and that receiver is connected to the flight controller, and that gives the flight controller those commands, which has to give to everything else. And that's how the radio and receiver works. It's not too expensive. The receiver itself was like $5 or $10. This was a bit expensive, but like, you have to get them together, otherwise it'll be really hard to sync them. Easier to just get them together. And that's 1 minute. Thanks for watching. I'm Smith out.